It's time to visit Cajun country. Our job is to introduce you to the culture and people of one of the most colorful places in the world.
Just like a jambalaya spaghetti, you can do it with any animal that crawls. Like nutria.
Open it delicately.
I do a crazy Cajun sauce, and you'll see that in a second.
Oh, look at that.
Another nice try.
Oh, no!
We are killing it out here. We are having a blast. Don't lose it. Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Just figured out a way to put a beer holder on here. This belt will work perfectly.
Paranormal Pursuit with Frank and Benton. This is real.
The son is definitely here. His name was Ashton. He died in a tragic accident a few months ago.
Sonny, could you please move the cat ball?
Look! He moved it!
From physical connections to the spirits, to the more common, orbs.
It's just a lot of orbs. It's a lot of activity. It's a lot of energy.
Notice the light from K2 on the floor as the orb moves from right to left. It is obstructed by a dark, shadowy figure.
Frank and Benton find answers. We're in pursuit of the ultimate investigation.
George, wave your right hand if you see us.
Please give us a sign. What was that?
The Cajun hitmen are experienced in contacting the spirits.
What the hell?
We are ready for another paranormal investigation.
We're the Cajun Station,